Continuing his intensive tour of the state, Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Manikya Debbarma led a massive youth outreach program in South Tripura on Sunday evening. The event, organized by the YTF, featured a high-energy bike rally that spanned from the Patichari Drop Gate to Santirbazaar Sasiram Bari. The event was marked by the presence of the Tripura Party's core leadership and YTF stalwarts, including James Debbarma, YTF General Secretary, Rajeshwar Debbarma, Party spokesperson, Ravindra Debbarma, Executive Member TTAADC, numerous other senior leaders and youth icons. The rally, which saw a sea of supporters on motorcycles, was aimed at mobilizing the youth base ahead of the critical TTAADC election.
Chini Khorang Kishore ya salama Bubagra
Reported by Nelson Pravir and Boyer from Santirbazaar, Chini, Khorang.